Okay, number 20 says, write the function in vertex form, sketch the graph of the function, and label its vertex. Okay, so right now, we don't know where the vertex is because it's not in vertex form. So the way that we do this is we transform it into vertex form by completing the square. But before we do that, we have to make sure that the leading coefficient on our x squared term is a value of 1. So therefore, I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And I'm going to get 2y is equal to x squared minus 10x plus 24. Now I'm in a position to subtract that 24. So I'm going to go 2y minus 24 is equal to x squared minus 10x. Now I can figure out what my perfect square trinomial needs to be. So I'm going to say 2y minus 24 plus something is going to give me x squared minus 10x plus that same something. I need to add something to create a perfect square trinomial on the right-hand side. And of course, we take half of b, so negative 10 all divided by 2, and then I square that number. So negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. Negative 5 squared is a positive 25, so that goes there and that goes there. Okay, now we're going to simplify and see what we have. So I have 2y plus the number 1 now, or yeah, plus 1 in this case, is now going to give me, on the other side, is going to give me the quantity of x minus 5 all squared. Remember, this is going to be a perfect square trinomial on the right-hand side. Okay, so from here I'm going to subtract 1, and I'm going to see that 2y is now equal to x minus 5 quantity squared, then minus 1. And then I'm going to divide everything by 2 to get my y by itself. So I'd see that y is equal to 1/2 of x minus 5 minus 1/2 of the squared 2. Okay, so from here, I can see that the vertex is located at the point 5 comma negative 1/2. So if I go like this and I'll go 5, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 1/2 is like right there. And then I know that this is going to be opening up like this. So this would be my vertex and my axis of symmetry would be right down the center. And then of course we can verify this if you wanted to by plugging it into Desmos and seeing exactly what you would get. So we now have vertex form, and that is how you do number 20.